Hello everybody, thanks so much for following along on another episode. In today's episode, we're actually going to delve underneath the carpet in the foyer or the main hallway, and we're also going to peek at what's underneath the linoleum in the bathroom on the second floor. So some mysteries to be revealed. Also, I just wanted to share with you what's happening. So I'm here in Calgary, editing content for this video right now, and preparing to get ready to move. So we're packing the house up. The house is up for sale right now, so a little bit of chaos. Just started a new job, so yeah, lots of excitement, lots of craziness happening right now. So follow us along. We definitely have more content coming up. We haven't made any reveal in terms of what's in the basement, so we'll be taking a tour of the basement and also doing a little bit of work on the basement as well. We have an interview with Art Anderson. So this would be the second family to reside in the house, and we'll be able to share that in an upcoming episode. So make sure you like and subscribe, follow along. Make sure you watch to the end of this video. We will have a little reveal at the end of the video about the third story of the house. So enjoy. Okay, so that's the garbage taken out. So we'll have a little bit more room now to pull the carpet here. I think we're just gonna go just do the hallway today. Can't be late for supper. Nan's got supper 5 o'clock sharp. So, it's one thing I know about Newfoundlanders. They're on a tight schedule when it comes to food. So we're not gonna do the carpet on the stairs for now.
My request.
Yeah, as per Emily's request, because she doesn't want to have to put her boots on at the top of the stairs. You'll just have to put them on at the bottom of the stairs.
Like right there.
Yeah, and we're just gonna tear up the carpet today in the hallway here. So I'll throw it up on time lapse again. You can watch us pull it out. Okay, so carpet up in the front. The underlay was shockingly in amazing shape, so I'm not sure when the carpet went down, but you never know what you're gonna find when you roll back the carpet. So this, to me, looks like original linoleum here. And the pattern is just, it's pretty funky. I like it. And surprisingly, in pretty good shape. I don't see any major rips or tears. There's a few cracks here and there, but wow, this is so cool. I just think this is so neat. So we still got the carpet tacking strip to pull up, but we'll throw you back up on the time lapse just to get rid of that. So Emily's got a case of the hiccups. Sorry. They just won't seem to go away.
No.
I don't know. Maybe we could get Mr. Tilly to frighten you a bit. Get rid of your hiccups. Okay, so we've just pulled some of the staples so we can try to lift some of the linoleum here. We got our masks on because this is probably 1940s, 1950s, we think. We just popped some pictures into ChatGPT and asked, and it says based on the pattern design, it's a post-war era, so 40s, 50s more than likely. And if Emily, you want to lift that up a bit, and we'll see if we can have a peek in underneath here. Okay, oh wow. Oh, this is in really good shape. Oh my God, that's fantastic. Oh, I love it. Oh, what's that?
Another piece of linoleum.
Is that linoleum?
Yeah.
Or is that? Oh, what is?
Yeah, it is.
Oh, interesting. Okay. This is cool. That might be an older original they just put on over top, or I'm not sure what that is. Oh yeah, it could be linoleum. Okay, so here's a little peek under the floors. Oh my God, that's exciting. I love it. Okay, so we're pretty certain at this point that this flooring wouldn't have been original. Emily's just going around just pulling up the tacking strip here. I just want to keep the floors intact as much as possible. We're probably not going to remove the linoleum right now. We just have basically dust masks with us. So we don't want to be pulling the linoleum and breaking it and potentially releasing some toxic cancer-causing chemicals into the air. So we'd like to be sort of a little bit better masked up. And honestly, what we were thinking of preserving some of the pieces of the linoleum or anything that we take out, and maybe so we can show some of the processes that the house has gone through since its beginnings, is take a little square sample of some of the flooring selections that have been made over the years. So again, this is the same stuff that was in the dining room. And so we can pull a piece of this and keep a square. We'll also do the same with the linoleum, so we can hang on to that so we know actually what was in the house when we went through some of the restoration. Very cool. So much fun. This is such a blast. And another amazing day in Port aux Basques. Look at that sun shining out. Okay, time to have a little peek at what's underneath the bathroom floor. Actually thought I'd pop over into this corner. I haven't even peeked behind here yet. There's a strip down, so I'm not sure this. Ooh, well that's very funky. Okay, that was gonna be wood. See if I can hold the camera and peek under here at the same time. Oh. Oh no, I just tore that. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh. And another. I don't think I'll be able to do this a third time, but let's try. I'm gonna see if I can grab something here. Okay, through the years, I'll just throw one linoleum on top of another. On top of another. This looks very original. Interesting pattern. Let's see if I can get a better look at the pattern there. Very cool. Oh. And ta-da! So looks like we got some good boards under there too. Yippee! Okay, so just to share with everybody, just recently published in the Telegram by Nicholas Mercer, wrote an article about what we're doing. Written on March the 12th, you can actually go to the Telegram or Saltwire and go to the Newfoundland and Labrador Lifestyle section to read the article. How very cool. So just scrolling down to the last picture here, this was supplied by Nadine Osmond. You can see the Customs House there on the hill. All 3 stories, all intact. Here's just a close-up shot. We can see the mansard roof, along with the dormer windows across the front as well as the sides. We also have the bay windows in the front. It looks like these are both on the first and second story with the little mansard roof and the front porch. And you can also see the railing, the wraparound porch railing that went all the way around 3 sides of the property to where it was level at the back. And we can also see the set of stairs that used to go up to the front porch there. So very exciting. For anybody who is new to this, we've bought this house, we're restoring it, so make sure you follow along on this crazy adventure. If you like this content, make sure you please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when the next video is posted.